Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply a job in an Amazon warehouse in Canada. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and go to Indeed.com. Once you're on Indeed's homepage, type Amazon Warehouse Jobs Canada in the search bar. Then add your city or province like Toronto, Ontario, or Vancouver, British Columbia to find local openings. Now, use the filters on the left side to narrow your search. Select full-time, part-time, or shift flexibility if needed. You can also filter by salary or posting date. Browse the job listings and click on one that matches your preferences, like warehouse associate or order picker. Read the description carefully before applying. Check the job details, pay rate, shift timings, and requirements. If it fits your needs, click the Apply Now button to start your application. Some jobs let you apply on Indeed with your saved resume. Others will redirect you to Amazon's official career site. Follow the steps to complete your application. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.